This is a tutorial on how to create a new lead in Salesforce. We're going to start at the home page. What you really need to get to is the recruits page, which is also your leads. Gonna get the spot shadow going. So you have to be on the main drop down for recruits. From there, any list view will have the option to do new. Now, generally, you're not going to need to create new leads, but in an example of when you might need to is one of your leads that you have been assigned, for example, Austin. Perhaps when you're on the phone, you find out that Austin has a sibling and the parents want to also create a lead for Austin's brother. In that case, you will create a new lead using the siblings information. So I've just clicked on new. It's going to bring you to this screen. And these are all the fields that you have the option to filling in for a new lead. There's technically only one required field, and I'm going to skip down to that. That's in the student info. Last name is the only required field. What Austin's last name is, so we'll use Austin for his last name. We'll type in Austin, and we'll do Johnny Jr. for the first name, and all the information that you have, you're going to want to fill in the phone numbers, the parents, Johnny Sr., Austin for last name, email, phone number, etc. A lot of that stuff you'll just be taking from the initial one if it is indeed a sibling. So you'll fill in all the appropriate contact information. If you have second parent's name, that information is there as well, and so on and so forth. Once you filled in the required fields and the appropriate contact information, we're going to go down and save. And right there we have Johnny Jr., Austin, and from here you can perform all of your regular tasks that you have with any other lead.